Roll number 38.
Yes, ma'am.
Your question is 1 minute. What is complementary clause? Roll number 38. What is complementary clause?
Ma'am, I have no idea.
Fine.
Ma'am, can I speak?
Yes, who?
Ma'am, 96.
Very good. 96.
Ma'am, complimentary clause is a humble way of ending a letter.
Very good. You're
The
getting
most important,
you're getting bonus points. That is, you're getting four marks.
ma'am, the most generally used complimentary clause is you're humble, you're sincerely, you're faithfully.
Very good. Very
Thank
good.
you, ma'am.
All right. Roll number 105. 105. Jitendra.
Yes, ma'am.
अब आप randomly हम पूछ रहे हैं आपको. 105.
Naughty.
What do you understand by reference line? What do you understand by reference line?
Ma'am, can I speak?
Ma'am, it shows that department of the
सबसे
organization.
पहले कौन आंसर में आए?
Ma'am, I want to speak.
All right.
It shows the department, shows the leader of any department of any organization. Stating a leader.
Yes, yes. What's your roll number?
Roll number 19.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am, it's not fair.
All right, next. What is inside address? Next student, which is roll number 48 is always. Let me see. One online and one offline.
Ma'am, can I speak?
No. सबका तो बंद है. Roll number 91. Roll number 91.
Yes, ma'am. Hello.
1 minute. What is the meaning of inside address?
It includes the ma'am.
Roll number, yeah. क्या नाम है? किरण नाम है?
Yes, ma'am.
या किरण?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Kiran.
It includes the address and postal address and contact information of the sender.
All right, 91, right?
Ma'am, I need to include some points.
Ma'am,
Okay,
job title
okay,
of the
yes.
sender. Ma'am, I
Include
also
some
want to.
points. All right.
Ma'am,
don't-
me.
Ma'am, I want to add.
Let me continue. There are so many students in. Okay. Now somebody from the offline class.
Ma'am, I want to add.
Yeah. Okay. Add then.
Ma'am, it
I
must
first
be
asked you,
mentioned.
ma'am,
Yeah. Okay.
Ma'am,
What?
I also want to add.
All right. Yes. Roll number 1.
Ma'am, I want to add.
Okay, add.
It must be mentioned on the left. It must be mentioned on the after the reference and left side,
All right.
left hand side.
All right, good.
Ma'am,
Roll
marks,
number?
ma'am. 96.
Roll number क्या है?
96. 96.
Ma'am, you haven't got give me the chance, ma'am. I asked you first. No, ma'am, this is not fair.
तो लेना चाहिए था ना, मैंने तो ले लिया.
लड़ाई झगड़ा हो. All right, yes. What's your roll number?
Ma'am, मेरा 96.
All right. What is the format? What do you understand by the term format? What do you understand by the term?
शर्ट के पीछे नहीं नहीं नहीं
Next. What are the styles of letters?
Block letter format, semi-block and modified format.
Roll number?
Okay, 3.
How is the block style different from semi-block?
Ma'am, in the block style format, all the full the letter is left aligned. Whole letter is left aligned, and the only paragraph are 5 indented spaces.
Roll number?
83.
Roll number? What is the importance of subject line?
Then it shows why we are writing it. And
How should it?
it should like if we are taking leave, then we should mention that for 3 days before.
Can there be a letter without a subject line?
No, ma'am.
No, there can be a letter, but it will not be read. Right. Roll number 80, right? And in the online classes, nobody is there with the camera on, so I'm not going to ask anybody. If you want to take questions from me, you need to keep your cameras on. Otherwise, not. People at the back, stop talking. Actually, questions first, second semester, or it is mixed. पापा कंबाइन करके बनाए थे सब दोनों के. Yes, you can answer this question. Abhishek, roll number?
22.
The ability to communicate effectively depends on technology, depends on the education level, can be learned, is a natural talent.
Depends on the education level. And because if we are educated, then only we can communicate with each and everyone properly or in a respectful manner.
Abhishek, no answer for you, no marks for you. The next student, please sit down. The same question.
Can be learned.
Very good. Roll number?
16.
61.
16. 16.
The ability to communicate effectively can be learned. It is a learnable skill. Better luck next time. Yes, next. People at the back, will you stop talking? If something is said in error, it must be understood that the interpersonal communication is forgivable, irreversible, forgettable, reversible. If something is said in error, it must be understood that interpersonal communication is
It can be also reversible because interpersonal communication is acceptable.
what?
Interpersonal.
एक बारी अच्छे से पढ़ लो भैया. The question goes, the person behind you. Are? What was the question? If something is said in error, it must be understood that interpersonal communication is forgivable, irreversible, forgettable, reversible. Yes, it is forgivable. गलती में कही गई कोई बात को माफ थी, गलती से मुंह से निकल गया. ठीक है. Roll number. Next person. A message can only be deemed effective. आप देखिए, स्क्रीन देखिए. A message can only be deemed effective when it is communicated face to face, delivered with confidence, repeated as proof and understanding, understood by others.
Delivered with confidence.
Let him speak. Effective communication तभी होता है कब? जब very good. When there is 100% understanding. Your roll number. Have we done active passive voice? The master punished the servant, change this into past tense. Sorry, present continuous. The master punished the servant, change this into continuous. The next person, not passive. Change it into present continuous. Who is the next person? Why are you? Present continuous में change करना है.
The master is punishing the servant.
Yes. Roll number. Next student. Yes. She knows that she dash to pay now. She knows that she. तुम पहले डी बोल रहे हो, फिर शुड बोल रहे हो. एक पे रहो यार. Let him try. No, let him try.
Quit बताओ. सूट नहीं डी लग रहा है बहुत होगा
She knows that she ought to pay now.
और
You were confused. You said D and then they should. Roll number.
मैम कुछ पूछ रहा है
Ought मतलब होता है कि I ought to do this. मुझे करना बहुत जरूरी है. उसको पता है कि उसको अभी पे करना बहुत जरूरी है. She knows that she ought to pay now. Had better कि उसको कर देना चाहिए था, कर ही नहीं है. And she had better. मतलब डांट के कोई बोलता है ना. हाँ, ought कर लेना चाहिए. Had better. You had better. जैसे हम बोल सकते हैं. You had better behave yourself.
You have better
नहीं बोल. What a noisy mark you, huh? She knows that she ought to pay now. And then, no, complaint is coming from everywhere. I'll do something about it. Interpersonal communication helps one to converse with other people, learn about oneself, be a good speaker, to know what others are thinking. आपने ये तो सेल्फ वर्क किया हुआ. That is the question. इससे पढ़ो बच्चा. एक बार फिर से पढ़ लो. Then why did you say D? What is your roll number? हाँ, तुम समझे इंट्रा है. चलो रोल नंबर बताओ. आप बताओ क्या है. लॉक किया जाए किस चीज पे? लॉक कर दिए. Right answer. So you saw the questions. There can be something from grammar, something from what you are taught, something from your general knowledge. Abhishek. Anyways, we are going to continue this in the coming 2 classes. देखिए जब क्वेश्चंस आपको आता है you are more than eager to converse. लेकिन ऑनलाइन स्टूडेंट्स को अपना कैमरा ऑन करना है to ask. आपका कंप्लेन अकाउंट्स डिपार्टमेंट से भी आता है. काम करना वहाँ आंकड़ों के काम होता है. अकाउंट से काम होता है. They have complained. बहुत ज्यादा आवाजें आती है. बहुत हल्ला गुल्ला होता है. टीचर रहते हैं तो भी, टीचर नहीं रहते हैं तो प्लस अदर टीचर्स आल्सो कंप्लेन. तो क्लीनिंग ऑपरेशन शुरू करना चाहिए हम लोगों को. धीरे धीरे क्लास से बाहर. सस्पेंड ऑल योर पेरेंट्स समझ लो अगर डिसाइड. तो द पेरेंट्स शुड आल्सो नो यहाँ पर आके क्या कर रहे हैं. कैसे डिस्टर्ब कर रहे हैं. अकाउंट डिपार्टमेंट ऐसा टीचर्स परेशान है. तो इवन द पेरेंट्स शुड नो. ये बात उनको होनी चाहिए. हम देख लेते हैं सीसी टू मेगा मैन डायरेक्टर सर थोड़ी मैनेजमेंट प्लस योर पेरेंट्स. और ये बीच में चीटिंग है. सीसी रहेगा तो पता चलेगा कहां पर. और एक लाइन में जितने बच्चे पीछे बैठे हैं सारे वेदर आप चटानी कर रहे हैं या नहीं. आपको ये पीछे बच्चे परेशान होंगे.
Sorry.
Once and for all. एक बार बार कहना चाहूँ Feeling option को कहते हैं से बाहर I can't say हो फ्रेंड्स को बोलो बात को बोलते हैं ये बच्चा अलाउ शायद विदाउट आई का अलाउ तभी मिलेगा वापस आगे नहीं हो सबको बॉडी लैंग्वेज सही रहो जो अभी तो आप लोग everybody is online, so I've got all your attendance.
The marker will be continuing in the next class also.